In this video, let's talk about the way that you receive payments from a business in Venmo. If you've sold something to a business and you have a personal account of Venmo, the way that you receive payments is fairly easy. You can either provide your username, your phone number, or your email address that is linked with your Venmo account, and they can easily add that in, pay you into your Venmo account. So it works as usual as any payments that you make or any other person makes to your Venmo. Business can just tap on pay or request, and here in this section they will add in the username, email address, or the phone number that you provided. Make sure that the information you provide is correct so that the payments can go through to the right account. What you can also do is request a payment. Instead of them paying straight away, you can add in the username of the business and then add in the right amount. Also, make sure to add in the reason so that the business knows what this payment or this request is for, and then just tap on request. This way, this request will be sent to the business account, and then they can just add in or accept the request so that the amount that you've added in can be easily transferred. Even if you receive payments from a business, you would not get charged anything. Fees are only chargeable for a business, and personal accounts do not have any sort of charges within Venmo. So that's the way that you receive payments from a business in Venmo. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to our channel for more future videos just like this.